This is Radio Jamaica 94 FM, and it's time for us to have a crucial conversation with banking on the go. It's a special program sponsored by National Commercial Bank. It's a conversation, of course, worth listening to. Our very special guest today, the NCB representative, is Misha Rae, Program Manager, Client Experience. Miss Misha, how you do?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you.
Hi.
How are you?
We're doing well. I apologize for the late start. We got a little shifted out by a feature earlier on, but we're here, and I'm glad that you're still willing to have this conversation with us. Thank you.
Oh, absolutely. My pleasure.
So let's talk a little bit about banking on the go. That's non-branch transaction. That means with a device or you're from home or whatever, you can still be in the thick of things and have your needs filled, right?
Right, that's right. All right, so today I'll share with you some convenient ways that our customers are able to conduct their transactions, as you said, without having to visit the branch.
Right.
So there are a number of transactions that can be completed outside of the branch by using our digital channels, like our mobile app, or ABMs, Radio or Intelligent ABMs, or online banking, and then we have our IVR system.
Or what is that last one you mentioned?
Interactive voice response.
Oh, okay, IVR, okay.
Right. So, of course, I mean, there are some transactions that you will still be required to visit the branch to do, but then a majority of our other transactions can be done otherwise.
Right. So tell me about some of the ways we make our lives a little better by opting for some of these services, as opposed to then have, especially with physical distancing, you know, you would think it's fewer people in the bank, therefore it would be easier to get through. But no, when you have to have spaced out and the sanitization, it can be a little tough to do that. So you want to circumvent that where you can, because it's stressful, and I mean it's rough on us as customers, and I'm sure it's stressful on the employees as well. So we both want something that works better.
Absolutely. So we have, there are some common transactions that are done. We have, you're able to transfer money that's within NCB from your NCB account to another bank, or locally or internationally.
Yes.
You're able to pay your bills, you're able to pay your credit cards, and then any of these can be done via our ABMs or mobile app or online banking. So we, NCB, will make the investments and absorb the cost up front to put these systems in place, just so our customers are able to enjoy them at their convenience. They're easy to use, they're free, and they're safe.
I understand that even where credit cards are concerned, you can get into better management of your credit. Tell me how that works.
Yes, manage my card. Well, okay, so there's an online banking and there's a mobile app. So you have your credit card on your app where you can log in at your convenience and you can see what is happening. There's also the Manage My Card platform where you're able to check your credit balances, your minimum balance, your due date. If there is an issue, because you know you're getting the alerts on your credit card now.
Yes.
If there is an issue that you have that you realize that your card was used, but it was not you, you can log into this Manage My Card app instantly, and you can block the card yourself, or you can block the card yourself, or you can just raise an alert to say that this transaction was not done by you.
Right. So you can cauterize the problem quickly, right?
Exactly. That's right.
Understood. That's awesome. Understand too, you can add beneficiaries' pays, that kind of thing?
Yeah, you're able to add your beneficiaries' pays if it is that you want to pay a bill, school fee, or you're able to do that on Manage My Card, on the NCB mobile app or online banking as well.
What about your credit limit? Do you have to have an indication from the bank that you are eligible for an enhanced limit, or if you want to reduce the limit? I mean, can you do that?
Yes, you can. Via Manage My Card, you're able to indicate whether it is. You can request a credit limit, or you can reduce the limit as well.
All right. What about issues, reporting issues, sending feedback, where it's not a click or tick kind of situation and it's a little bit more involved, so you need to have dialogue? How do you do that? If, for instance, I would imagine that your customer care line is close to capacity, inundated, because you're having fewer people in the bank. So that might be tough. So how do you do that kind of thing using the other facilities?
So we have NCB Assist.
Yes.
This is a solution that can be found behind online banking, in which, we want to give our customers access to convenient, dependable, easy to use digital options. So NCB Assist, it can be found under the help section behind online banking, and then services and requests. What you're able to do is, based on the issue that you're having, a list of issues will be listed, whether it's ABM issue, online issue, whatever the issue is, it will be there. You may select it. You can raise your query, just share the details of what happened, and you're able to track it. So it goes to our back end or reps in the back end, and they're the ones it goes to them directly, and in the back end they will work on it, and you may monitor the progress of this issue.
Because I was going to ask about turnaround time, which would vary based on the complexity, right?
Exactly.
But if you can track it, you don't have to keep on calling or texting to see what's happening.
Exactly.
You can figure where it is.
Right. That's right.
Okay. What if you have to do a lot of foreign currency transactions, and you need to be able to plan, to budget? Because part of it is that, our exchange rate wobbles, and you need to be able to project, or you need to be able to pull back, or you maybe to take advantage of some savings. How do you stay in the know with exchange rates for NCB? You can look at the weighted ones at BOJ, but specifically for NCB.
So for NCB, on our online banking as well as on our mobile app, there is a currency converter. So you can view these daily exchange rates. So you don't have to call the bank for that. You don't have to visit the bank for that. It's right there at your fingertips. And you're able to calculate the conversion of the funds to any other currency.
And then you can just jump on and lick it, go into your account and sort it. That's good.
Right.
Putting a little more power in our hands as customers. Now, as times get harder, I think we're becoming a more enlightened generation, I'd like to think, and therefore more individuals are focused on investment rather than just babysitting the money in a savings account. It's important for the safety and the security that a savings account offers, but it's not where you're going to accumulate more. So people are looking more to investment. What can you do in terms of, keeping an eye on your investments in the online digital space?
And so customers, that's a very good question. So, of course, you're investing. This would be a good amount that you'll be investing. So definitely you can keep an eye on it. You're able to view your shares or your money market balance both on your online banking or on your mobile app.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, so if you prefer to use the web version as opposed to the mobile, what are some of the things that you can do there that you might not be aware of that might ease your burden on a daily basis?
Okay, so some things that you can do on the web version are, without having to go into the branch, you're able to apply for a car loan.
Are you serious? On the web, just do your thing?
Yes. Just go to drive.jncb.com. It will take you right throughout the process. You upload your documents and it goes directly to a rep. It's automated.
Wow.
Similarly, we can do that for a mortgage as well.
Mortgage? You're not easy. That's good. So you have it all programmed so you can get a reading on whether you're qualified for the mortgage and how much.
Yes. So you can enter the amount that you would like, and then it tells you your monthly payments and the deposit required. So it's all there. Just visit myhome.jncb.com.
What if you want a kind of a short-term unsecured loan, but you don't necessarily want to increase your cap on your credit card because you want to be able to manage it well, but for a season you need this? Can that be done?
Yes, that can be done. We actually have unsecured loans. That's at loans.jncb.com. You're able to apply for your loan there, and then sometimes we have offers. So if you have your mobile app, sometimes if you check there, you'll see that we have an offer for you, and you're able to just indicate that you're interested in it, and then someone will contact you for this.
Okay.
You're able to see if you qualify for like a pay advance loan, you pay it back within 1 month, or like a fast cash loan for up to 3 years.
Wow. You're a gem. You're a gem, Miss Misha. You've taken us through so many nuances, and we appreciate it. Thank you so much, Misha Rae, Program Manager, Client Experience at NCB. Bless you. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. All right.